Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to almost very bottom to find the battery and device care. Let's tap on it. As you can see here we have to take a look at the device protection. Right now it is off, so let's tap on it and tap on turn on. Tap on turn on, and as you can see we've got the information that no threats has been found, but I highly recommend to tap on scan phone, and as you can see right now your device will scan itself. It may take a while, so be patient. It will scan all of the apps which you've got currently on the device in order to find any kind of malware, viruses or problems. If it will find any, then it will list them and let you know that there are some problems, and it will remove it. As you can see in my case, no threat has been found. So basically that's all. This is how to virus scan your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.